In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video slow motion in Samsung Galaxy A16. To make a video slow motion video, we have to install a third-party app. So go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for InShot. So this is the popular app to edit video. All you have to need install InShot app in your phone. Now go ahead and open the InShot, tap on video, new, and now from your gallery select the video, which video you want to make slow motion. Tap on done, and here we can see the video add date. Now select the video clip, and here you have to select speed and just decrease this level and tap on done. And here we can see the video is now slow motion video. Now it's time to export the video. To do that, tap on export. And here we can see a InShot watermark. To remove the watermark, you have to watch an ad. Just tap on export. And resolution, you can go ahead and select a different resolution. You can change frame rate and format. Tap on export. And it may take some moments. Before that, you have to watch an ad here. Once the video exported, go to your gallery, and here you will find slow motion video. So this is the main video and this is the slow motion video. Thanks for watching.